as a bird watcher every spring to hear the nightingale. And here are 4 or 5 of them here in Aragon in Spain. In a beautiful old town that's full of old small towns and villages. This is called Valderobre, I think. It's called something like that, near where we're staying. 3 hours from anywhere. It's the most beautiful part of Spain I've been to. It's just so empty. Full of artists and stories, and it was a very, very strategic part of the Spanish Civil War. So lots of folklore, history, and ultimately wars that changed the history of Spain. And a great place for music. It's really got me into playing the guitar properly. Kind of been avoiding it, but you cannot avoid it here. And as a birdman and an artist in nature, what better place to resurrect my classical Spanish guitar than here?
Oh, racket.